Hi guys, this is YouTube again, and I am with my friend Michael. But he likes to play video games, and this is my vlog.
Hey, don't make me sound like a real loser.
Oh, well, he likes to play video games, eat cookies, hang out. You do like eating cookies. You was eating cookies yesterday. Yes, you. I heard you crunching on
Just to let you know, they weren't actual cookies. They were these Italian low-fat diet cookies.
Some cookies. But it's a beautiful day outside. Me and him might be doing something.
Yeah, whatever.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
What are we gonna do?
He said I said I was gonna FaceTime him.
And then you're gonna meet me at the place?
Oh yeah, that place. Yeah, the place.
That place, yeah. That place. So, leave in the comments what you think we should do when we go outside. So, see you next time.
Yeah.